Hey guys, welcome back to Jyoti classes. So in the last class we have seen few more formulas. So today we will be seeing few more formulas in quantum mechanics. That is, we will be seeing the formulas based on commutator bracket. See, you all are aware of these formulas. Just I am brushing up the things here so that you can remember all these formulas and you can solve the problems easily. That is the reason why I am taking each and every formulas present in this quantum mechanics. Okay, so commutator of a cap and b cap is a cap b cap minus b cap a cap is equal to 0 if it is the commutator bracket of a cap plus b cap comma c cap. Then how will we write? We know that is commutator of commutator of a with c and after that b with respect to c. Okay, similarly if it is a cap comma b plus c, then we have to take commutator of a with respect to b plus of a with respect to c. Okay, if it is a commutator with b cap and c cap, what you have to do is you have to take the parameter to the respective sides itself, that is b to the left side, and that is b cap is equal to a commutator of a cap and c cap. After that, taking c to the right side and writing as commutator of a cap b cap with c cap. Okay, or else I can write, if it is given something like this, take a in the left side and b in the right side. Okay, make a note of these formulas clearly. Next, here we have to know few of the standard commutator brackets, that is a cap with respect to y cap is equal to 0, y with z is equal to 0 and x with z is equal to 0. Here if it is a commutator of x with x cap with x cap, it is equal to 1. Similarly for y, similarly for z. Okay, for this it is 1, and for other combinations like x with y, we have commutator is equal to 0. Okay, now if I have taken any of the function with c, that is constant, then the commutator bracket is equal to 0, first thing. And the another thing is any function, any of the parameter x cap with its own function, that is x cap with f of x, that is equal to 0. Okay, this is the commutator bracket. If it is with respect to constant is also 0 and with its own function is also 0. Okay, next, here we have few more functions and now a commutator bracket a to the power of n comma b, then you should know that directly take n into a to the power of n minus 1, the commutator bracket of a and b. Okay, these you should know directly. These are the direct formulas and you will get direct questions. When you go through the previous year question paper, you can see the questions directly based on this formula. So small things matters a lot. So make a note of each and everything and try to remember those things. Okay, next, if it is commutator of a b to the power of n, you have to just take n. Similarly, with taking the b parameter, that is b to the power of n minus 1 into n, commutator of a and b. Okay, these are few of the standard commutators, and now we have to take few of the relations, that is with respect to momentum and with respect to position, what is the commutator values. See, for these questions they will be framing some equation and we have to solve the equation by substituting these commutator values, so you should know them. Okay, next, commutator of x with px, I have h cut. Similarly for y and z, and if the position is replaced like px cap of x, then I will get minus of I h cut. Okay, that is, if you remember this, you can remember this directly. Remember that commutator of x cap comma p of x cap is equal to I h cut. Okay, you have to remember this. Similarly for y and z. Okay, now if any of the y component with the p component moment with the x component momentum that is equal to 0, if it is equal to IH cut, it means that they commute. If it is equal to 0, then it means they do not commute with each other. Okay, these are the formula. And for angular momentum, that is Lx Ly is equal to IH cut Lz. Okay, how to remember this? How to remember this formula? You should know here. See, just write Lx Ly Lz in like this and make a circle. Now you have to take the circle in the clockwise directions. When you are moving in clockwise direction, it is a positive value. When you are moving in anti-clockwise direction, the value is negative. See, you have to remember this. What I told now, you have to remember this. I will tell you how to apply this. See here. Lx Ly, commutator of Lx Ly is equal to, for this IH cut Lz, x component is there, y is there, and the formula will be equal to IH cut Lz. If L, let me change the color and explain you. If it is Ly, Lz they have given, then that is equal to IH cut Lx. Similarly, if they have given Lz and Lx value, and that will be equal to IH cut Ly. Okay, this is the simplest way to remember this. This is what written here. IH cut Lx, Ly Lz, IH cut Lx, Lz Lx, IH cut Ly. If in case it is reversed, like if it is given something like Ly, Lz, I know that it is IH cut YZ, next component is X. If it is written Lz and Ly, now it will become minus of IH cut Lx. Okay, you have to remember this. Now, followed by, see, this is what I have written. If it is cyclic order, then it is a positive. If it is in anti-cyclic or reverse direction, it is negative. And one more formula, Lx component with y component is equal to IH cut z cap. For y, Ly z, that is IH cut x cap. Lz x cap is equal to IH cut y. See, these all formulas are already you have proved in your MSc. I have just written the standard formulas here. Okay. Next, for Lx angular momentum component with the momentum component, that is Lx Py is equal to IH cut Pz, Ly Pz is equal to IH cut Px, Lz Px is equal to IH cut Py. Okay. Next, see, here I have taught one more commutator formula, that is e to the power of a into b. We have learned the formula for a to the power of n into b. This is the commutator for a to the power of n value. If it is something to exponential, then the formula will be d by dA e to the power of a into commutator of ab. You will get e to the power of a. For example, x comma e to the power of minus p. What I have to do is, I have to differentiate with respect to p, e to the power of minus p into commutator of x comma p, that is equal to e to the power minus e to the power of minus p, the differentiation of this value, and the commutator of x comma p is h cut, and you have get the value minus IH cut e to the power of minus p. Okay, let these many formulas for this class. Thank you guys. We will be followed by operators in the next session. Okay, thank you.